Sorry, that last video got cut off right as I was typing, but again, the whole rest of the assignment is just you following those same instructions. So read the question, answer it based off of the information that you have above in your picture, right? So describe what's happening with the tiles. They're growing by 5 each time, okay? Describe the graph of the function. Consider, what is the shape? Okay, well, looking at the shape, it's a straight line. Perfect. Is it increasing or decreasing? Okay, well, are the numbers getting bigger or are they getting smaller? They're getting bigger, which means it's increasing. If you were to draw a line or a curve through those points and extend them, where would the x and y intercepts be? Okay, well, our x-intercept is going to be where, let's go back over here. Our x-intercept, sorry, there we go. Our x-intercept is going to be where it hits this line. Our y-intercept is going to be where it hits this line. So if I were to extend this graph out, where would this hit this x-axis and where would it hit this y-axis? So those are going to be the 2 points we're looking for. Okay, and then you just have a couple more questions that you're going to fill out for this one. Are there any values where x and y are not possible? Okay, well, if I think about it, I can pretty much pick any number over here and plug it in. So it should be all possible. And then I'm going to do that same thing several times. So I'm now going to move on to the second graph. I'm going to click on this one. It's going to have a whole new pattern. So notice pattern 0 is 0. There's nothing there. So 0 would be 0, and so on and so on. Okay, you're going to move this around. It's going to make a graph. You're going to do the same thing that you did before. Okay. Hopefully this helps and clarifies what you're supposed to be doing in today's activity. Again, this activity, this copy is what needs to be turned in. A lot of kids are still just writing on Schoology or only turning in a screenshot like this screenshot. You need to turn in this whole document. When you turn in this document, please make sure that you share it with me. So go to the side, either add my email address in here, pjwishton@aurorak12.org, or you can go to the link down here where it says share, and you can click share with anyone who has the link. So that way, as soon as you give me the link, I can look at it. But a lot of times students are forgetting to share this with me, and so again, it's giving me restrictive access. Okay. Awesome. Hopefully that clarifies everything. If you have any other questions, again, let me know.